What is up, guys? Welcome back to Texas Mega Bassin. Today me and Josh are gonna be fishing with the Googan Baits Trench Hog. We're gonna be giving you guys our honest opinion on it, and if it works, we'll just tell you if you should buy it or not. We will see you at the pond.
Alright guys, so here's what we're going to be throwing today. This is the Googan Baits Trench Hog in Pure Passion coloring. Here's what it is. Trying to catch some fish on that. Hopefully the Googan Baits work out. Alright guys, walking up to the pond. Pretty nice day out today. So, normal day we would be catching a lot, so hopefully this Googan Baits can perform. Water's got decent visibility. Hopefully we'll slam. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that bass, look at that bass. Oh my god, did you see that? Did that get on camera? There's a bass out there. Oh my. Let's see if it takes it. Oh my god, I think I might have spooked it. I didn't even realize it was sitting there. Holy crap. There's a bass just swimming out there. Oh, there's some more. There's some more. They're schooling. They're schooling. Holy crap. Right there. No way. I hope that can get on camera. I don't know if you're able to see through that water, but there's some bass out there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's about 20 bass sitting right here. Oh my god. No way. That was pretty crazy. I don't know if that got on camera at all. There's a solid 12 to 14 bass swimming together right there. That's pretty insane. I think I'm going to take some off this little Googan bait because it's spooking them. It's pretty big. Look at this sucker compared to my hand. About the size of my hand almost, so it's pretty big. Not good for this type of fishing. But I did not think we were going to get into this type of fishing. I thought it was going to be more sluggish. It is a little warmer today, so, you know, might be a little bit more active, but the water's still cold. Alright, I'm going to take off about an inch right there. I'm still looking for bass in the water. Let's try that. That might be a little bit better. Because, yeah, it's a little big still. But we're going to try it. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure if they have a smaller size or not. So, take that into consideration when you're buying these baits. I know they go quick, so this was really the only option that we had to buy because they were sold out so fast. But that's why we're doing this review, to see if they're like an overrated bait or, you know, what's going on. So obviously they sold really quick, so alright, that looks a little bit better. Might be able to work with this now with some shallow bass. Alright, I think I'm gonna keep moving, let the bass sit for a minute. I came up kind of quick on the spot because I didn't see him freaking schooling, but man, I mean, there was probably about, I don't know, 12 to 14 bass, like I said earlier, just swimming in a freaking line. So it's pretty crazy. I'm gonna keep moving. Come on, fishies. I'll be honest, guys, it's kind of a weird design, but I will say a lot of weird design baits have caught fish before. Alright guys, we just got back to the truck, and here's what I was throwing with again. So there were a couple problems with this. First of all, the price. It's very expensive for these, and I know like a lot of soft plastics like these are expensive, but they're Googan baits, so they're obviously more expensive. And so like you could probably get 2 or 3 packs of a different craw that are cheaper and better than these for the same price. So that's problem number 1. The second problem was the size of them. Like, I don't know if there's a smaller size or not, like I said on camera, but these were just too big. They were spooking off fish, and we had a lot of problems with them today. And so yeah, so if I was gonna recommend you get a bait, I would not recommend these. It's cool to just have the Googan brand, but like other than that, they were a complete waste of money and time today. Did not like them at all. But you know, not trashing the entire company or anything, just saying these baits are not worth it. Yeah, but you know, it's still cool to come out here and fish with different bait, but would not recommend them.
Thank you guys for watching. Please go like and subscribe and donate to Canon EOS Warriors. Great company. We will see you